Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dubem and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make Gizdodo or Dodo Gizzard. Fun fact, my roommate calls it Dodo Gizzard and I was like, okay, what's Dodo Gizzard? And she's like, this is Dodo Gizzard. No, I'm not, no, this is Gizdodo. So what do you guys call it? Can you guys comment in the comment section below? Do you guys call it Dodo Gizzard or do you guys call it Gizdodo? Because I got a little bit confused. But yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my recipe on how I make Dodo Gizzard, Gizdodo, whatever you guys call it. Let me know how you guys make it and what you guys add to yours to make it delish. All right, let's get into the video.
So here I have the gizzard, the plantain, the bell peppers, garlic, peppers, salt, onion. These are my ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my Knorr Cube, curry, thyme. I'm going to be using this in making my Gizdodo. So the first step is I'm going to wash the gizzard to make sure it's clean and, right for this recipe. Take off that yellow stuff at the back of the gizzard. Make sure it's clean. Everything at the back is removed from all the gizzard. Pour the gizzard after you clean it into the pot with some onion, some salt and some pepper. Add a little bit of it. Add some curry, add some thyme, some Knorr cubes. I added just one Knorr cube, so yeah, that should be enough for that quantity. So I use like a cup and a half. Add 1 cup of water and cover it and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes depending on how crunchy you want your Gizdodo to be. So the next step is I'm going to cut my veggies up. I'm going to cut this sweet bell pepper that I have. I really love the sweet bell pepper because of the taste it has in my meals. I would also be cutting up some onions and some garlic and get our ingredients ready for the recipe. So finishing up cutting up my veggies, I'm gonna cut up some onion as well. Adding 2 garlic bulbs. I'm gonna cut that up because it gives it a different taste. I love garlic in it. My boyfriend hooked me up with that. He made me start putting garlic in my food. So now that my plantain, I'm gonna cut that up. I'm gonna dice it in 4 squares, if that's a thing. Yeah, I'm gonna dice that up and I'm cutting the 2 plantains up and ready to be fried. Make sure to drain your gizzard. Pour some vegetable oil into the pot and add your plantain. Fry it. Make sure it's golden brown or however you like it. I like mine a little bit brown but not too brown. I like the color of how it comes out this way. And the same oil, pour some all your veggies, not all but some. Leave some bell peppers out. Add your onion, your garlic, some of the bell pepper into the mix and let it fry and let it simmer for a bit. Let it fry a little. Let it fry for a little bit. Then add some pepper. This is my Nigerian pepper. I like my Nigerian pepper. Add some salt. Add some thyme into the mix. Crushed peppers. Add some crushed pepper. Add some curry. Mix it in. Make sure. Let's look at how that mix is already coming together. Let it fry. add all the drained gizzard into this mix and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it fry a bit. Then add a Knorr Cube into the mix. This is my special Nigerian pepper sauce. I usually add it to most of my things. So if you want me to tell you how I make my special Nigerian pepper sauce that you saw in that jar, I'm gonna make a video, and if you like it, let me know in the description below and I'll show you guys how I make it. So I'm gonna add some of that mix into this pot, but before that I'm gonna drain some of the oil just so it is not soggy and it's not oily. You don't have oily Gizdodo. So I've drained that. You see that on the side. Simmer that for like 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna be adding the pepper sauce into the mix and stirring it in, making sure it goes into all the right places. Cover the pot and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. After it has finished sitting for 3 to 5 minutes, you can see it's frying. You know, everything is already inside the gizzard. You can tell that it's going to taste nice. You add your plantain, make sure to spread it evenly in the gizzard mix and make sure it's, you know, the right, and make sure it's spread evenly so the sauce can enter. So the rest of the bell pepper, add it into the mix and stir it in. Look at the color coming out of this Gizdodo. What do you think now? Don't you think this is about to pop in someone's mouth? Look at how it is. Serve it when it's done. Put it in your plate. Just take a look at this Gizdodo. It is ready to be eaten. Trust me, it is the best recipe out there.
All right, so how did you guys like that recipe? Was that a nice recipe? Would you guys try it? If you guys would try it, let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you guys are liking the content on this page, especially with the recipe videos. You know, hook a girl up by subscribing to know that you guys are enjoying these videos, and so I can continue giving you guys more. Or what do you think? I think that's good. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Goodbye.